All right, here is something that I've been working on, and it's absolutely game changer. I'm about to actually start running some traffic ads directly to this home seller page because it does a valuation and it has a photo value AI boost, which is absolutely game changing. Now, this is all tied into my BoldTrail website. So every one of these features and functionalities is going to update a contact record by adding notes. It's also going to create a new seller lead for me anytime somebody's captured through any of these forms. So, for example, if somebody starts playing with the home valuation tools and they start, dragging and dropping sliders, things like that, you're going to notice that they can go and play with all these widgets. Now, this is game changing because it's interactive and it's gamified. So you're actually giving everybody the ability to go ahead and mess around with their home value on a website securely, but also without having to register immediately. So they're going to see this stuff. And then with Photo Value AI Boost, this is actually really cool because they'll be able to go into here. And for example, I'm going to type in Tom Landry here, Tom Landry at gmail.com. And hopefully that's probably somebody's email. But we're going to go ahead and type this in. And then we're going to go ahead and type in an address as well. So the one that I'm going to use is going to go ahead and be this one here. We're going to go ahead and add it into here. But this is really cool because basically we're paywalling and putting a registration capture behind them being able to go ahead and use the AI updater. So this is all front facing. I just got the lead notification there. You can see it coming in. Yes, I am actually editing a video as we speak. There is the text message. Now they could actually go into here and drag and drop photos, right? So for example, this was one of my most recent listings that I had here. I'm going to go ahead and open this, and now they can go ahead and specify the category. So we're going to put just other here, or we'll put paint walls. There we go. We'll put living room, a living room, a living room. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to put the build year for context, 2087 on the square footage. We're also going to add the neighborhood into here, and then timeline to sell. We're going to go ahead and put that into there, modern, and they're going to go ahead and give us that budget, right? So we're going to use AI to go ahead and analyze these photos. You can see our AI is reviewing your images and generating personalized value boost recommendation. So you can also see that it's gone ahead and created me an actual login. And again, this is all tied directly to BoldTrail directly in here. So I'm able to go into the contact record that was created. You can see all the information there. You could also set up, for example, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and run the validation on that house. There you go. It's created it for me. And yeah, so you can go into here. It has the address already added into there. If you actually click on the address, you can use it for the valuation. So there you go. It could run the valuation. They can click save. And then basically now they're going to go ahead and get seller reports for that valuation. I'm not going to do this because they're going to get bombarded with it. But the other really cool thing is that it's tied directly into here. So you can see all of the recommendations that have been recommended for them, right? They can read this, go through it. They could also request a pricing strategy. There you can see it says request received. All while this is happening on the back end, we're constantly adding notes into BoldTrail. So you could see everything that they're doing on this website, right? So you could see that they've gone through here. They did photo analysis. They uploaded 4 photos. Top opportunity was paint refresh and color consistency. You're getting all of these insights, which is absolutely game changing. They could also go play with the home valuation tools, right? So as they go into here, they could say, I'm going to do interior paint. Maybe we're going to do a bathroom update. It has some estimated cost, all disclaimed here, right? This is just an estimated value impact. You can see that there. But again, as they're playing with these tools, it's automatically updating notes inside of that lead's profile in real time. So you could see there it says click to request pricing strategy, right? We're going to actually tie that to a probably most likely we're going to tie it to a task creation, but all the API endpoints, this is fully customizable. This is homeywatch.com. You can purchase your own domain, drive traffic to it, but it's all connected, all compliant. everything really, really cool here. You also see repair time, like timeline builder, right? So you could actually do this. I might even add a functionality where they could actually download this as a PDF. But the big important thing is that we're capturing all of their details and we're monitoring all of their activities. So anytime they click a button, anytime they do anything on that website, we're going to go ahead and track that, right? So it's getting added into the notes section. So this is absolutely game changer. DM me if you want this exact setup. I'm going to again start running some seller ads to this with a video and see what kind of results we get. But I can almost assure you they're going to be positive and really, really, really good results because it's not just a what's your home worth page. You're actually gamifying it, giving them tools to play around with, like all the big players do, like Zillow, Realtor.com, before they even register, right? So they can go ahead and do all of that. And then with the photo value rank, you have the ability to give them that option so that they could upload it. There's a seller guide here. All this is customizable too. So this could be tailored to your specific niche and need, right? So let me know your thoughts down below.